We must organize ourselves more impactfully, but most importantly, we must defend ourselves. Emaswati. We must defend ourselves. We must never agree to be blackmailed by those who are quick and eager to kill us whenever we defend ourselves. So we are urging our people to employ every means necessary to defend themselves, to be each other's keeper, to make sure that there is no single Swazi who lose his or her life unnecessarily while we are there. Angeke sive ngalabo lababulala eMaswati. What methods are acceptable? Nasithi siyabuka Maswati. Uthi uyalalela noma ngabe kukhuluma inkosi, noma ngabe kukhuluma indvunankulu, noma ngakukhuluma lisekela la ndvunankulu, noma ngakukhuluma indvuna yembuso, noma ngakukhuluma lokhulumela uhulumende. All you get from those utterances is anger, it is contempt, it is disrespect, and it is war. So you can see that we are dealing with people who are agitating for war. We want to say to them, we are not fearful anymore. We are ready for any eventuality. And indeed, we agree with the President and the Commander-in-Chief of the Economic Freedom Fighters when he restated what we have been saying. Mswati will never know peace as long as there is no democracy in Swaziland. Mswati will never have a sleepful night as long as our members of parliament are languishing in prison. Tingundla will never know safety as long as our leaders are still in exile, including the likes of Comrade Mandla Hlachwago, Comrade Lakil Kele, Comrade Bongane Masuku, Comrade Bowman Tsela, Comrade Gavin McFadden, Comrade Kauzela Mtutuzis Melane, and many others. There is no infrastructure whose safety is going to be guaranteed as long as Emaswati are living under fear from the army, from the police, from correctional service officials. We are at a point when we have said we have lost our virginity, we have lost our innocence, we have lost our state of fear. We stand ready to insist that emandla ethu Maswati makasikhokhele. There must not be any Swazi who earn a poverty wage above 1,100 anywhere in our country. As long as sinahulumende lo gazeta kutse Emaswati akabhadalwe bo 1,100, we see that as a declaration of war. So sithi ke Emaswati lamahle emandla ethu akasikhokhele. Nangabe emandla ethu angasikhokhele, ingati yethu mayisikhulule. We make no apology about the fact that we will be defending ourselves. We will not be intimidated by the nefarious attempts by a desperate state